Hello friends, welcome back to the craft room. I am really glad you're here. This has been a completely messed up schedule this week. I did say that we were supposed to be doing buttons today. I'm prepped, I'm ready to go, but we're not going to be doing that. We have had sick run through our house, so it just kind of wrecked any sort of schedule that we had, which I knew that you all would understand, so I really wasn't worried about it. But instead of doing buttons today, we're just going to bump both of those to next week, and then we will work on buttons, and that will also give you guys a chance to grab the pattern and get your fabric ready for that. We are going to go over the last few blocks, and we are going to draw our winners today, so stay tuned to the end. I want to make sure that everyone gets the credit that they're due and that we're able to showcase these blocks. But then directly following, I'll explain to you how voting will go, all of that good stuff. But let's show these off first. So first up, we have Jess. Here are Jess's blocks. Jess submitted hers via email. She did want to send them anyway so that they could be in the quilt top. So I'm looking forward to having these in real life, Jess. Both of her blocks are the same pattern, so that's why I've got them both up here to see at the same time, because I think they are so cute, and I love that she used the navy for these X's. And I also love, let me add this third block here, she kind of made a bonus block with the leftover, so it's got a little bit of everything in this bonus block. Jess is another quilting channel here on YouTube. Go check it out. She has so many good tutorials on there. She's doing Civil War blocks, which are amazing. And it also seems like Jess is not afraid of sewing curves. So if you're looking for some inspiration and someone that's not terrified, she's probably the better option. But definitely go give her channel a look. I love what she has made with her blocks, and I cannot wait to see them in person. I'm sure they are even more gorgeous. 44 is Shelia. This is Shelia's block. She did so well. If I'm mispronouncing your name, please correct me. I would hate to continue saying your name wrong. This one is so cute. I love the light colors and how that navy just draws you in. This is a gorgeous block, Shelia. Well done. Let's see. Next up is 45, and 45 is Vicky B. Vicky did send me an email with a picture of this first, just to make sure that she was submitted and her block didn't come late. But Vicky, this is much more gorgeous in person. It looked great in the picture, but this is gorgeous. You guys are just blowing me away with your skill sets. Holy cow. I am so impressed by all of you. I want to be like you guys when I grow up. All right, 46. Oh, is Pam C. Here's Pam's. Pam used all of her bundles in this one block, and she was chatting with me about it for a little bit, and she said that she's really wanted to try this block and that she was hoping that she could try it again and send me a better block. But I am so impressed with her prototype, as she called it. I thought that was so good. I will take a prototype any day. This is a gorgeous block. I love the wheel. Was that a Dresden? Isn't that what it's called? You guys, again, you can correct me if I'm wrong. I have no shame. This is how I learn. But this is gorgeous. She used all of her fabrics in there, and it turned out so cute. So Pam, for a prototype, that's pretty spectacular. Well done. 47 is Jan E. Here is Jan's block. How cute is that? She did a great job. I love that this makes this diamond here in the middle. So neat. I love this one. Well done, Jan. You got it here right on time. You just squeaked by. Last but definitely not least is Cindy W's. Here's Cindy's. Cindy had actually sent me this picture a while ago, and she should have been showcased way before this. So I'm sorry, Cindy. Accept my apology, please, because this is a gorgeous quilt top. Cindy does these for donation purposes, and I think that is really cool. So she added this beautiful green border and the green sashing in there, and it just like accentuates that pink so well. It is so cute. So well done, Cindy. Do not take my lack of showing it off as any indicator of how excited I am to see it, because it is absolutely gorgeous. Well done. That's all of them. That is 48 blocks. 48 blocks. My goal was 30, and I felt like that was kind of reaching. So the fact that we not only sold well into the 60s, but got 48 back, I am like more than happy about it. Okay, let's draw. I'm going to show you my phone here. It was on for a reason. So we are on random.org. And if you see right here, there's a true random generator. The minimum is 1 and the max is 48, which was the total entries that we've had. So this will draw a random number between there. That way you guys know that I'm squeaky clean and I'm not like trying to hustle you or anything. Because I think if anything that you've like picked up about my personality is that I like to hustle people. I'm sure you're not worried, but I just want to like cross my T's and dot my I's. Like this is all random. So I'm just going to take notes here too. This is my list of everyone. And I'm going to be writing down top 5 as we go. I will draw 5 numbers and then we'll pull out their blocks and I will show them off. Let me add these cuties to our stash here. So I'm going to draw 5 numbers and I will grab out those blocks. I will show you those blocks. You are only going to vote one time. Just vote for one block, okay? And the block with the most votes is first place, second most, second place, third place, you know what I mean? And then the last 2 are just like, you're amazing. You get bragging rights. That's pretty valuable. So here is how voting is going to run. You are going to vote in the comments below, only on this video. I will leave the voting open until Saturday night, so we'll have a couple of days for you guys to spread the word, remind everyone to vote. Anyone can vote. And honestly, it's encouraged. So if you want to reach out to people and say, hey, go vote, go look at this video and vote for me, then do it. There is no shame in that. I would want free fabric too. So no judgment here. Let's stop talking about it and let's vote for this, okay? So down here at the bottom, if you can see, we have, I accidentally went back. Okay, 1 to 48. There you go. Hold me accountable here. 1 to 48. Right there, you see it has a generate button. Let's click it. And our first is 32. 32. 32 is Erin P. Let's find your block, Erin. 32. 32, where are you? Oh, there it is. This one. This one is so neat with those other triangles in there. I love this one. So cute. Okay, so this is our first contender. All right, next up, let's see. Can I do this in the screen? Don't mess up. No, it's not time for that, Walmart. 6. 6 is Jamie P. All right, let's see what 6 is. I remember Jamie had the big strawberry. And I can't remember anything else. I'm just committed to that big old strawberry. 6. Oof. I poked myself. That was rude. This is just easier. Is this just like the happiest stack ever or what? Ooh, here is Jamie's number 6. Cutie. I like this one. I think the blue and the pink just are like so happy together. I don't know what other word to use for it, but they're very satisfying to my eyeballs. All right. So exciting. Number 2. All right. Next one up. Number 8. Number 8 is Margaret W. Let me write it down. Margaret W. I'm glad I dumped the bag out. 8. Oh, yes! Margaret's house and her window panes. There we go. There is our third option. Number 8. Okay, here we go. Let's find out what our 4th entry is. Number 10. Man, it is liking these low numbers, isn't it? Number 10 is Roxy F. Roxy F. 10. Oh, this big one. This cutie. Here is Roxy's block, number 10. All right, last one. This is crazy. I wish it would be realistic to do more than 5. I really do, because all these blocks are so gorgeous. Ready? Nope, I'm a liar. There it goes. 30. 30 is Allie. Allie had, okay, what are the odds? I just went right to it. That's crazy town. Okay, here is Allie's block. She had the tulip. And this is Chris's daughter-in-law. So that's kind of funny. Chris, you bought her the bundle and she got in the top 5. That's awesome. Well, hopefully it's awesome and it doesn't make for awkward Thanksgiving dinner conversation. I'm just teasing. I'm sure it'll be a-okay. Here are our top 5. And again, this is not skill-based. This is not technical-based. This is purely random. And now we get to cheer each other on and now we get to vote. I will show you these all up close. Oh, let me get Allie's number down. Allie B. Okay. If you would like to vote for Roxy's block, type 10 below in the comments. Okay, here's Roxy's block. If you would like to vote for Margaret's block, type 8 below in the comments. This might get a little repetitive, but I think it'll be helpful. If you would like to vote for Erin's block, type 32 in the comments. Such a cutie. If you would like to vote for Allie's block, type number 30 in the comments. And last but definitely not least, if you would like to vote for Jamie's block, type number 6 in a comment. We have so many cute options here and I cannot wait to see what happens. On Monday, I will announce the winner. Barring that, no other sickness comes through my house. All right, time to cheer everyone on and tell them how wonderful they did and put a vote in for who gets our prize fabric. We will see you on Monday. Bye.